Hi everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the Glossy Box for November. I got this box super early, so I'm super excited to share. I actually looked around on the internet and mostly I've only seen people reviewing it in the UK. Glossy boxes from the UK are different from the ones in the US. And I'm pretty happy with the products that came in the box. Before I go anywhere, I wanted to share with you this new sunscreen that I found. This is not sponsored, but if you have sensitive skin and after all of the sunscreen recalls, I finally found something that works for me and I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm not wearing foundation, I'm only wearing the tinted sunscreen. It is by Elta MD and it's SPF 40, which you should use 30 or higher. Oil-free, it's for all skin types. It does not make me break out. My skin feels great. It has only 2 ingredients, which is titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. So those are the only 2 ingredients you want on your sunscreen. I love it. And I just wanted to share with you guys because I know a lot of people have had issues finding a good quality sunscreen that works for them. So that's my tip for today. So the Glossy Box, I'm super excited because it did come in really early, and actually I got mine yesterday. However, I had my booster shot and I was sick for like 2 days, so I couldn't film or do anything, but I'm glad I get to do it now. So once again, the Glossy Box, you can buy it in different installments. You can pay it for it all at once. I will put the pricing right here so you can have a general idea. But it is a mid-price range for boxes. It comes with 5 to 6 products. Usually 1 or 2 of them are full size. This one came with a Shutterfly coupon, 16 free meals in HelloFresh, a Geico coupon, and a wine subscription coupon for $100. Let's go to the products. I guess I consider 3 of the products full products this time. Everything that I have on right now came from this box. My eyes, lips, fragrance, which I liked very much, primer. The Glossy Edit for the month is really cute. They are talking about the Beauty Desires is the edition. They talk about feeling beautiful, precious, and sexy in your own skin. I really enjoyed this little box. I felt that the value was absolutely there. It had full sizes on at least 3 of the products. Wow. The first product is the, I'm going to call it Chella. The Chella collection of eyeshadows, and they're calling this a travel size. For me, this would be considered a full size, but okay. Use pigments separately or blend together for a more sophisticated look. The 4 shades of this palette, Charisma, Radiant, Purpose, and Intention, will transform you into a glam, confident version of yourself. Beautiful and highly pigmented, this palette ensures a look that will amplify your inner and outer glow. I have created a look where I used all 4 of the colors. To see that kind of look, you can go here so you can see how I apply my eye color usually. So I used the lighter shade in the eyelid, the lower part of the eyelid. I used the second shade up around the eye socket, really close to the eyebrow. And I used a darker glittery shade on the corners, and the terracotta reddish shade, I just used it a little bit here, and I kind of just put a tiny little bit on the outer edges of my eyes. I think it turned out really pretty. The second product is a full-size product by Figs and Rouge, and I really like this brand. They have such beautiful packaging usually. I love their logo, and we do have some of their product that was in the advent calendar. I thought it was really cute. This is a blurring primer, so you would put this under your makeup. Again, I did not see a lot of blurring, but it might be because I don't have a lot of texture in my skin. This primer is designed to fix foundation and finish your complexion to complete matte perfection. It's silicone free, pore minimizing, and anti-blemish qualities. Absorb oil so you will have a beautiful smooth finish without any breakouts. The next product is the Vitabrid C12. It is a cleansing balm, and it's funny because everybody talks about cleansing balms, and finally I think this time of the year, I have received 3 or 4 different cleansing balms. Daily C, obviously it has vitamin C in it, which if it stays in the skin, that's good. Vitamin C is good to keep the sun from creating pigment in your skin. Looking forward to using it. Scoop a generous amount and massage on dry skin. Infused with plant-derived extracts, this facial cleansing balm helps to effortlessly dissolve stubborn makeup and impurities. It's formulated with a powerful antioxidant blend of Kahai oil and proprietary Vitabrid CG active vitamin C to help support a clear and radiant complexion. And then rinse thoroughly. Ooh, that'll be fun. And that was a full size. The next product, a perfume. If you scan this right here on the perfume, it's called Paper. It was a company that started up probably in one of those Shark Tanks. I don't know exactly which program. So it was interesting. I don't know. It's called Commodity. Somebody bought it and revamped it. I think the packaging is beautiful. The scent is just fantastic. Paper, I guess, is the flavor, the scent, because there are several types. They have different moods. Paper is a very subtle. It smells like amber. So it's almost in a feminine way, it smells like a cigar room, but so fainted. It's just a lovely smell. I really, truly enjoy it. I don't like fruity fragrances. I don't like musky fragrances, but this is just a very soft, somewhat masculine, but it doesn't make me feel masculine. But it's just a very subtle fragrance that is not offensive. It doesn't just kind of go, ugh, you're wearing a lot of perfume. I really like it. This is a deluxe mini. Many fragrances right now are giving you their primary essences, and then you get to mix and match them. I think this is one of those that it says musk followed by a softly sweet trail of amber. And the final product gets a lip gloss, full size, Cherie, which is lip oil, layer to intensify tint. I didn't expect that, but you see, it does change the color of my lips. Look at that. I'm gonna do it again since they're saying layering will make a difference. Let's try one more time to see if it will get darker. It has this cute little blueberry looking, even though it says cherry, it has a little blueberry color to it. And I think in a few minutes it darkens. So what did you think? I like it. I think this is a lovely look. Anybody can wear this any time of the day or night. Say bonjour to your new lip obsession. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment has a pH color changing formula that works with your unique pH level to give you a custom shade, perfectly suited to your skin tone. It will also keep your lips unbelievably soft and nourished. Yeah, so that is the Glossy Box for November. I think it's lovely. I really enjoyed it. They have a Black Friday limited edition that's coming up on November 25th. Mark your calendars. There's something going on November 25th, and I guess they might have a special box coming up on that day, or a nice promotion for the entire year. They do have a holiday limited edition. The anticipated 2021 holiday limited edition is the ultimate gift. Woo! Can't wait for that. And then they have this thing called the Generation Box, which is geared towards teenage girls. I'm super excited about that. I am considering getting one for my daughter. We'll see. They also have come up with their own skincare line. I hope you enjoyed this November edition review of the Glossy Box, and I'll see you next week.